Once, in a quiet village named Gandhara, far away from the mountains, a man walked into the forest to meet a great old sage. The man looked very troubled. His face was tired, and his eyes were filled with worry. He folded his hands and said, "O wise one, my mind is very disturbed. So many thoughts come to me all the time. I cannot rest, not even for a moment. Please, give me some mantra to stop these thoughts." The sage looked at him kindly and said, "My son, start sitting in silence every day. Close your eyes and watch your breath. Slowly your thoughts will go away. This is the way of dhyana, meditation." But the man said quickly, "O sage, please don't tell me to meditate. Whenever I try, my mind becomes worse. So many bad thoughts come. More than before. I feel more restless than ever." The sage smiled softly. "That is normal in the beginning. All the old thoughts will come out first, like dust from a shaking cloth. But if you continue, your mind will become clean and peaceful." Still, the man shook his head. "I cannot do it. It is too hard. Just give me a mantra. I will repeat it. That is all I can do." The sage saw that the man was not ready to listen with patience, so he said, "Very well. If you insist, I will give you a mantra." He leaned close and whispered the mantra into the man's ear. Then he said, "Recite this mantra alone, every day. But remember one thing. Do not think of a monkey while chanting it. If you do, the mantra will not work." The man laughed. "A monkey? Why would I think of a monkey? I have never thought about one before." "Don't worry, wise one. I will follow your words." With a smile, the man returned to his hut. He sat down, crossed his legs, closed his eyes, and began to chant. But then, suddenly, he remembered the sage's warning, "Don't think of a monkey." And just like that, a picture of a monkey came into his mind. He tried to push it away, but another monkey came, then another. Then a group of monkeys started dancing in his head. The more he tried not to think of monkeys, the more they filled his thoughts. He opened his eyes, took a deep breath, washed his face, and tried again. But as soon as he closed his eyes, monkeys again. By nightfall, the monkeys were in his dreams. Even his wife's face looked like a monkey. His children looked like little monkeys. He was losing his mind. By sunrise, he could not bear it anymore. He ran through the forest and fell at the sage's feet. "Oh, great one, what have you done? I never thought of monkeys before, and now they are all I see. I cannot escape them. Please help me." The sage gently lifted him up and said, "Calm down, my son. Just stop chanting the mantra. Don't try to stop the thoughts. Just sit quietly. Do nothing." The man sat down quietly and stopped everything. Slowly his breath calmed. His mind became quiet. No more monkeys came. His heart became peaceful again. The sage smiled and said, "You see, son, this is how the mind works. The more you try to stop it, the more it jumps, just like a monkey. But if you only watch your thoughts without fear, slowly your thoughts will go away. That is why meditation is important, not to fight the mind, but to understand it." Then the sage looked at the trees and said, "In truth, the mind is like a monkey swinging from tree to tree without reason. And if you try to catch it, it will only swing faster. But if you watch it with peace, it will grow tired and sit still." The man smiled. For the first time, he truly understood. He folded his hands, bowed to the sage, and walked home in silence, carrying no mantra, no monkeys, only peace in his heart.